Open the package and take out all items. A monitor, a backup camera, a wireless transmitter, a charger adapter, and 2 power cords included. First, take the monitor, charger adapter to cab. Mount the monitor on the surface of dash with double-side adhesive. Plug the charger adapter to DC connector of monitor and plug the cigarette lighter too. Turn on the switch of adapter, then the monitor gets power and turn on. And the monitor will keep black screen if no video signals input. If you use the system only for reverse work, just turn on the switch always. If you use the system working for constantly, you can control the system by the on-off switch. The monitor can be mounted on windshield by an optional suction cup mount. Bring backup camera, wireless transmitter, and one of power cord to the tail of vehicle. Hook the backup camera on the license plate with original screws. Connecting the backup camera to the wireless transmitter. Plug the power cord to the DC connector of wireless transmitter. Connecting the power wire to reverse lights for only reverse use, or connecting to running lights or battery for continuous use. The wellness transmitter would lit on blue lights and monitor display pictures auto. The camera lens could be adjusted downward angle by loose screws on the bracket back. How to attach the transmitter on the vehicle. There are 3 helpful parts. 2 screws, 2 3M stickers, and 2 magic ties for choice. Below video is the demonstration. And with the intelligent switch of camera to on and off, and adjust the guidelines to meet your requirements for different size vehicle. If you lose the signals with some reason, you need to do with below steps to pair in the digital signals again. Any other questions, contact us via customer service email at below.